Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you for allowing me to answer my questions first. To allow me to meet and welcome the President of the OPEC Fund, who is here on his first trip to Fiji. And thank you, Honourable Member, for the question. I'm pleased to provide Parliament with an update on a significant milestone for our nation's financial sector. On the 13th of November, I had the privilege of launching the Fiji Development Bank's groundbreaking AI credit assessment pilot project. First, Mr. Speaker, I would like to congratulate the Fiji Development Bank for taking this first stride in Fiji's fintech history. In a global financial landscape where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing credit access, from automatic risk analysis to enabling financial inclusion for undeserved population. Fiji is now actively participating in this technological shift. For the benefit of all members, let me explain how this innovative system works, putting together the power of finance directly into the hands of our people, while ensuring the highest standard of security and human oversight are met. First, customers download the official FDB app. Then they log in securely using a one-time password. Next, they complete and submit their loan application entirely digitally. All data are encrypted, hosted on secure AWS servers in Sydney with strict data residency, and is governed by a contract that mandates Fijian law and guarantees the return or deletion of data upon termination. Once submitted, the system instantly processes the application. FDB staff automatically receive a notification and are provided with an AI-generated credit assessment report to aid their review. This is crucial, Mr. Speaker, as the AI provides a recommendation, but the final decision always rests with our experienced officers who can override the tool with a documented rationale. This ensures FDB staff are empowered, not replaced. Finally, the customer receives a confirmation email with the goals of approval, possibly in just under 24 hours. This means, Mr. Speaker, sir, no travel, no waiting in line, just trust, innovation, and connection. This is the first initiative of its kind in Fiji, and its scope is carefully designed. The pilot project will accept loan applications from existing FDB customers for up to 100,000, with loans under 10,000 available as unsecured, subject to standard eligibility. The initiative has gathered support from international partners. The Australian government, through the Market Development Facility, is a key co-funding and implementation partner. As Mr. Nick Wolf, MDF's Regional Director for the Pacific, stated at the launch, this pilot demonstrates how digital innovation can unlock new opportunities for financial inclusion in Fiji. By supporting FDB's efforts to integrate AI into credit assessment, we aim to help access to finance faster, fairer, and more efficient for businesses and individuals. MDF is proud to partner in this initiative, which aligns with our commitment to fostering inclusive economic growth in the Pacific. This partnership underscores the regional significance in this pilot. Following the launch, the project team has been enhancing the tool's features and continuing to train the AI model for even greater accuracy. We're already seeing strong interest with over 100 existing customers registering their interest through the platform. FDB is now practically guiding them to complete the applications. To ensure nationwide benefits, the pilot is accepting applications from all regions, overseen by dedicated staff to ensure a fair first-in, first-out process and to meet the pilot's 24-hour target. Mr. Speaker, let me be absolutely clear on the safeguards. This is a pilot designed to assist, not only automate. Final lending decisions remain firmly with FDB's experienced credit officers. We are tracking this pilot against clear KPIs, Mr. Speaker, sir, including turnaround time, the concordance rate between the AI and officer decisions, and customer satisfaction. Full report on these measurable outcomes will be presented to the Executive Committee and can be made available to this House, ensuring full transparency on whether this pilot delivers real value for the Fijian people. This is more than an app, Mr. Speaker, sir. It's a bridge connecting Fijians to opportunities, empowering our people, and transforming how we access finance. It is a testament to what we can achieve through responsible innovation and strong partnership. And it is firmly aligned with our National Development Plan and our National Digital Strategy. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.